HR and LED have done almost everything to bring learning to the digital workplace. Still, we forget more than 75% of everything we learn within just a month. This is called the forgetting curve. Science proves that there is a way to beat the curve. Regular and spaced repetition and micro-learning. This is exactly what Speexx does. It's the only blended learning platform that combines micro-learning, long-term learning objectives, and performance support. Speexx helps you to test, train, and maintain language skills whenever and wherever your workforce wants to learn, on any device. Speexx keeps valuable knowledge fresh with perfectly spaced self-study exercises and reviews. Artificial intelligence technology adapts the personal learning path using job-specific, industry-specific, or even customized content. And personal coaches are at the heart of everything we do. Students using Speexx subscribe to live communication skills training when it best fits into their busy schedules, in groups, one-on-one, and even on the phone. It's so easy and much more fun to stay on track with a personal coach, providing a study plan, writing skills training, individual correction, and all the direct feedback a student needs. So, beat that forgetting curve. Get better ROI, grow user engagement, and improve corporate communication. Our performance analytics help you quickly to assess which programs are effective and provide the best results. And we work standalone or in conjunction with your current learning technology. So getting started is easy. Check out our demo at Speexx.com to learn more.